Hello everyone! Welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today, we're drawing one of the funniest and most recognizable Pokémon ever created, Psyduck. Even though Psyduck always looks confused, today's drawing gives it a cool and determined expression that makes it look extra awesome. Let's start by drawing a large circle for the head. Psyduck's head is much bigger than its body, so don't be afraid to make it nice and round. Use light pencil strokes so you can easily erase and adjust your sketch if needed. Now it's time to draw the eyes. Psyduck's angry-looking eyes are what give this drawing so much personality. Carefully draw the large eye shapes and add the small pupils too. Create a focused expression. Then sketch the wrinkle between the eyes to make Psyduck look even more determined. Next, let's draw the wide beak. Keep the edges smooth and rounded. The beak is one of Psyduck's most recognizable features, so take your time and make sure it sits nicely in the center of the face. Now we move down to the body. Draw a simple rounded shape beneath the head. Add the short arms on each side and then sketch the small feet at the bottom. Psyduck has a simple body design, making it a great Pokémon for beginners to draw. Don't forget the 3 small black feathers on top of the head. These tiny details complete Psyduck's iconic appearance. Once the entire sketch is finished, it's time to outline everything using a black marker. Slowly trace over your pencil lines to make your artwork clean and bold. If you're using markers, allow the ink to dry before erasing your pencil marks. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Use a bright yellow for Psyduck's body, a light cream color for the beak and feet, and black for the hair and pupils. Add gentle shading to give the drawing a smooth, 3-dimensional look. Finally, erase any remaining guidelines and make any last adjustments. Small improvements at the end can make your drawing look much more polished. Drawing Pokémon is a fantastic way to improve your creativity and drawing skills. Every character teaches you something new about shapes, expressions, and coloring techniques. If you enjoyed drawing Psyduck with me today, please support Hobbyist Artist by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and commenting below with the next Pokémon you'd like to see me draw. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing every day, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next drawing tutorial. Happy drawing!